Hi friends, welcome back to Fun with Sharvi. And today we will unbox Dome's Art Apps Next Kit. And we will open it like this. It is made in India kit, okay? We will open it like this. And we will show the crayon, wax, colors and crayons. So these are wax crayons and they are here pencil colors and color crayons and sketch pens. Open sketch pen. I will show the quantity. It is very dark and we have some oil pastels also and some accessories like one card eraser, and it is very beautiful, and one sharpener. I have not unboxed this sharpener, and one pencil kit. I will show the pencil of it. These are very interesting pencils. Let me show. Non-domes neon pencils. Domes neon pencil, and these are also made in India pencils. I will show the pencils. Look, the pencils are very beautiful, and it has one eraser also on the end. Let me pick up. And these have neon colors pencil and light green pencils, one blue pencil and two pink pencil and two shades of orange pencils. The blue I have used in a school, and these are very colorful pencils, and we have one accessory, also one beautiful accessories. This is a book. I have colored this book and see. And I have paste and thread painting. It is thread painting. In the end, I have decorative. I have to color this boundary with black sketch. So I think let me color with you friends. So I will color with you. So I will color. See friends? It is very beautiful shade. Underline this, and thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.